Next point is a simple crystal structure, cubic, SC, BCC, FCC and hexagonal close pack, SCP. The crystal structure of SC, BCC, FCC and SCP are explained with respect to coordination number, atomic radius, atoms per unit cell and packing fraction. These are some definitions. First definition is coordination number. What is meant by coordination number? The coordination number is defined as the number of equidistant nearest neighbors that an atom has in the given crystal structure. Greater the coordination number, the more closely packed will be the crystal structure. Second is the atomic radius r. In crystal structures, the atoms are supposed to be perfect spheres in contact, and hence the distance between the centers of atoms is equal to the diameter of the atom. Atomic radius is defined as the half of the distance between neighbors in a crystal of pure element. Usually, atomic radius is expressed in terms of the cube age A. Packing fraction or packing density. The packing fraction or factor is defined as the ratio of volume of atoms occupying the unit cell to the volume of the unit cell relating to that structure. Packing fraction is volume of atoms per unit cell V upon volume of the unit cell V. It is always less than 1, means packing fraction value is always less than 1. Larger the packing fraction, more closely to will be the crystal structure. First one is simple cubic structure, SC. In this structure, the atoms are situated at the corners of the cube, touching each other along the edges. Each atom in each such a structure is surrounded by 6 neighbors at the same distance, each equal to the length of unit cell, so that the coordination number is 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. That is 4 minus nearest in same plane and 2 minus in a vertical plane, 1 above and 1 below. It means in simple cubic structure, coordination number is 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. In simple cubic structure, 8 atoms are placed at the 8 corners of a cubic unit cell. Since each atom is common to the corners of 8 cubes, the contribution of each atom to the unit cell is 1 upon 8, and as there are 8 corners in each unit cell, the number of atoms per unit cell is 1 upon 8 into 8 is equal to 1. Means the simple cubic structure, number of atoms per unit is equal to 1. Then if A is the side of the unit cell, then distance between nearest neighborhoods is A. That is atomic radius r is equal to A upon 2. Then next point is a volume of atom. V is equal to 4 pi r cube upon 3 is equal to 4 a cube upon 6. Next is a volume of unit cell. V is equal to capital V is equal to A cube. Then next is the packing fraction. Packing fraction formula is volume of atoms per unit cell upon volume of the unit cell. So pi a cube upon 6 a cube cancel, then pi upon 6. Answer is 0.5236. The next point is a body centered cubic structure. A BCC lattice can be considered to contain two identical simple lattices. One consists of the 8 corners atoms and other consists of only center atom in cube. In other words, unit cell of BCC is a cubic in which one atom is at each corner and one atom in the center of the cube. Now, since a corner atom is shared among 8 cells which touch there and central atom is totally shared by unit cell, there are 1 upon 8 into 8 plus 1 is equal to 2 atoms associated with this cell. The cell is therefore a non-primitive one. The structure is loosely packed since each atom has only 8 nearest neighbors, that is coordination number is 8. But the atoms are in the contact along body diagonals. The number of atoms per unit length is more along diagonal than cubic edge. Then atomic radius r is given by the half the distance between nearest neighbors in a crystal. Radius is root 3 upon 2a. Next, the volume of the 2 unit atoms in the unit cell, V is equal to 4a cube root 3 upon 8. Next, volume of the unit cell is V is equal to A into A is equal to A cube. Next is a packing fraction. Packing fraction formula is a volume of the atoms per unit cell upon volume of the unit cell. So packing fraction of BCC is 0.68. Elements that possesses body-centered cubic structure are Na, K and Cr, Mo, W, etc. In BCC structure, repetition sequence is ABAC, ABAC. This is a body-centered cubic structure node. First is a coordination number is 8. Number of atoms per unit is 2. Atomic radius R is root 3 upon 2a. Volume of atom is 4a cube root 3 upon 8. Volume of unit cell V is equal to a cube and packing fraction is a 0.68.